Greetings, home chefs. Today we're going to make cordon bleu with chicken. So you start off by making the ingredients for the batter. 1.5 cups or so of panko. You're going to add just a bit of turmeric for the coloring. So you want to mix up all the breadcrumbs with the ingredients by hand. Now for the flour binder, about a cup of flour and a couple tablespoons of cornstarch. You're going to sift it. And for the binder, crack a couple eggs, add some heavy cream. Now for the chicken breasts, to make the cavity, and I'll show you a technique. If you go all the way to one side and just feel the tip of the knife going through the flesh, and then swing it towards the open cavity and just gently saw it back and forth just like this, you'll see that you will have made a swath all throughout the inside part over here. All this is empty. Now once you have the hole in the cavity, you want to insert the cheese with ham wrapped around it as best as you can. And then finally, once the ham and cheese is inside, you want to seal it off with a toothpick. And mise en place is just a fancy French way of saying setting up your station for work. Nothing special. And usually I do about 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes each side till it gets golden brown. They're about ready to flip over. See how they turned out. Perfect. Beautiful golden brown color. What I'm going to do is a little technique, about 20 seconds on the tips just to seal them in. I use chopsticks because more control. With the 6 cordon bleu breasts, nicely bronzed on the outside. I'm going to throw it into the oven at 425, covered loosely with a bit of foil, for about 9 minutes. So I decided to cook the chicken skins that I pulled up from the breasts, and I don't want to waste any part of any type of food, really. Now for the moment of truth, I'm going to slice into it and see what it looks like. Oh my God, look at those juices. Fantastic. Beautiful. Oh my God. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it helped. I usually skip dessert and go straight to a Bowmore 15. Finish off with a cigar, Montecristo Afrique Select. Keep cooking and see you next time.